Hi everyone. So here's a short update on my Mercedes, the S500. So you probably noticed I haven't been updating for a while. Well, you can tell right now the car is driving well. It has been in the shop for a while because there was an oil leak underneath the vehicle, and I'll show you some pictures later on in this video. And the oil was very brown, so I at first thought it was engine oil, but found out it was transmission oil, so it came from the transmission. So to make it short, that had to be fixed. Transmission mount was collapsed too, so that has been fixed too, and a couple other minor things, and got a new battery, and yeah, nothing really dramatic. That being said, it's been in the shop for a while, so it's pretty dirty right now. You can tell. Gonna head home, and we'll have to wash the vehicle. And after washing the vehicle, I'll show you a little bit around, and we'll go over what has been fixed and how it's running now, and what my plans are for the future with the Mercedes. So I thought I was done with this video telling you about how my Mercedes got fixed and everything is great, and how it's like a brand new car, all good again. But I guess it turns out, sorry about that, I guess it turns out it's a real Mercedes and it has problems again. So what happened is I smelled some transmission fluid, and I looked underneath, and I thought, I hope there's no more leak, and yep, the leak is back exactly the way it was before. I called the mechanic, and I believe him that he did all the work, and I've seen the vehicle in his shop and it was dry, so he doesn't know what's going on, and in other words, I have to bring it back so that he can check it again. And yeah, it's very unfortunate, but that's what happens with all the vehicles. Also, the gauge cluster has it always had one bulb out, now it has two bulbs out. That's not a big deal. It's an older vehicle, and that's, yeah, it's just something that happens to change the bulbs, and I probably can do that myself. I apologize for the wind, it's pretty windy out here. So I think I'll have to finish this soon. I hope that next time I film this car, it will be fixed and I will be back on the road. It's on the road now, it's just leaking transmission fluid, and I don't want to put too many miles on it. Let's have a look underneath and see if we maybe find the leak.